Good morning, guys. We colleagues from the office are planning on a trip to Pichavaram. Okay, so basically Pichavaram is a place after Pondicherry. We're just waiting for some more riders, and yeah, I have the lineup here: 4 bullets and 1 Harley Davidson and 1 Hexa. The entire gang and everyone is getting prepared. The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the final Harley Davidson with yeah. So here is the riders, all one after the other. Yes. Breakfast from this Vasanta Bhavan. It's like after Mogaliyar Kuppam, say like 20 kilometers, and everyone is set to roll. I am taking Mr. Tamachan's bike, and there the Harley guy, 1 bullet, 3 guys are on the rolls, and I have the Hexa there. So
Cameraman Thomas in reporter Kuttan
signing off. ഒരു പ്രശ്നം
ഇതെല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പുള്ളിയുടെ ക്യാമറ കൊടുത്ത് പുള്ളിയിലെല്ലായിട്ട് ഒരു മതം ഒഴിച്ച് ബാക്കി എല്ലാം വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും.
So finally reached Pichavaram and the mangrove forest, where this is here is the place where you catch the boat, and here, watch this. Yeah, so we would be sailing all around this forest. person helping me. Thank you. He was the person who was helping me. Interesting ride to Pichavaram, and all of us are riding back to Pondicherry. The entire squad. Morning, guys. So had a pleasant stay in this hotel, and early morning around 8 o'clock, about to roll back to Chennai. And I have all the bikers here getting ready. About to start the trip back to Chennai, morning 8 o'clock. All set to roll. Everyone is set, and I have Srikanth and Jeff along. Travel to the Royal Enfield 500. Yeah, so finally it's time to say bye-bye, and we all have come down to a common place, so let's say all bye-bye. All the bikers are there. It's time saying tata bye-bye. So he would be the captain for the next ride. So it's official. We have all planned and made him the captain. So he should plan the next event. And I have this wonderful guy with me. He has done 2 times Ladakh trip. Believe me or not, it was 1 time from the recent one which we have done is from Chennai to Ladakh. I'll hand over this cam to him so that he tells us at least the route. How did he go till Ladakh? Yeah, Jeff. His name is Jeff, and he is.
Yeah, I'm just okay. Actually, I had a dream trip in Chennai to Ladakh. Actually, sorry, 15th started. 5,500 kilometers travel. Starting from Chennai, Hyderabad, Nagpur, then Shimla, Spiti, then Leh, again back to Kargil, this Srinagar, and then this one, first Delhi. Delhi no andi parcel idu.
And he took his own bike, your own Enfield from Chennai.
Yeah, standard 350. ഒരു കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല, സുഖമായിട്ട് പോയി തിരിച്ചെത്തി. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Jeff. Thank you. So guys, it's an inspiring story, guys. So finally reached home, and I just parked my beast. Overall, it was 5 bullets, 1 Harley Davidson, and 1 Tata Hexa. Altogether, it was a very good trip. Saturday morning and then Sunday afternoon back home. So went to Pichavaram, a mangrove forest, and it was a nice time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, as usual, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like it. See you all. Thank you. Bye bye.